Yeah, buddy. Hope you boys are ready to work today. Hope you boys put on your big boy pants this morning, because I'm ready to hear some pads pop. Ripsaw, what are we doing? You can't just sit there and do nothing. You gotta work a move. You gotta do something. All you gotta do is hit one of these. Oof. You're past them. Oh my goodness gracious. Your stance is just terrible. How do you expect to be able to fire off the ball if your stance looks like this? Do I look like I have very much power like this? No, I don't. So get down in your 4-point and fire off the ball. Ready, go. No, 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 no. That looks like 2 towels bouncing around in the dryer. Do it again. Look, if you didn't come out here to rock some people, then why are you even here? Ripsaw, where are you supposed to be lined up? A 3. Then tell me why on earth you are in a 2-eye. You know what? I was not very impressed with today. I hope you boys come ready to work tomorrow.